And then the dear lady says, oh, I can't find my ring. I think I just dropped it here, my earring. Kalonzo says, I say, Gideon. If you live long enough, you see everything, honestly. Anyway, today I'm extremely happy. Today is a wonderful day, a wondrous day, a joyful day for us of the Oka family. Today is when we close one chapter of our journey and open another. And this chapter that we are closing, it has been a journey, an arduous journey. But by the grace of God and by your commitment to us, each one of you who are here and those who are not here with us, and by the absolute determination of the principles, we have reached here today. So a big and massive thank you to all of you. And for me, my personal gratitude to the principals, to say asante, asante sana. This journey we're going, we all know where it's going to culminate in. But the most important and primary reason for this journey is the people of Kenya. That was what brought us together. The founder of Oka is Excellency Kalonzo Musyoka. That was his vision. That's what, when we talked the first time, it was always and has been the people of Kenya. And those of us who are like-minded, those of us who believe in the same ideals, to come, share together, share everything to make sure that we change, transform the lives of our people in this great republic of ours. We do not shy away from saying that we live in dire situations today. But I do believe personally in the team of Oka, that the team that we have, and I keep saying this, that if you look at each one of these principles, each one of them have something to add to the building blocks of the solutions for the people of Kenya. So mine today is to let you know that we made ourselves not a promise to the people of Kenya, but a covenant with the people of Kenya, because promises are there to be broken. But a covenant is a covenant, and we all know that. And our covenant is that we'll put our people first. And there is no go areas in us. There is, as Martha Karua said, there is zero and absolute zero tolerance to corruption. We adhere to good governance and to the rule of law.